Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. In this video, we are going to see that how we can deactivate our Instagram account permanently or on temporary basis. So let's watch this video. Stay tuned till the end. So to delete your Instagram account, we'll see the step here. Now you can see on the screen we have one Instagram ID here, and on the top right side you can see three lines, so we will have to click on it, and account center option will have to click on it. Then here personal detail option will be getting below, so click on it. Now account ownership and control option, click on it, and deactivate and deletion account, click on that. Select your account here. Now you can see the two option here, delete account, deactivate account. So wherever you want you can click on it, and you have to give reason here that you can see on the screen. So select any of the reason and then press continue, and after then your account will be permanently deleted. Or if you select the temporary deactivate account, so it will get deactivated for temporary basis. So this is how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram accounts. So if you found this information helpful, then give thumbs up, do subscribe to this channel. Till then, take care, have a great time.